September, Ronnie Davis drove from this campus dorm to his family house in order to confront his father and demand to know what happened to Sharon. A heated confrontation broke out, which prompted Ron to grab a gun and point it at his son. Ronnie went to the authorities and filed a felony assault charge against Ron, but a grand jury ultimately decided not to indict him. Ronnie and Autumn would eventually stop speaking with their father and believed he was responsible for what happened to their mother. The case was eventually captured on the attention of Unsolved Mysteries, who filmed and produced a segment about Sharon's disappearance. While Ron was contacted by doing an on-camera interview, he declined to do so. The segment was scheduled to air during the spring of 2002, but plans were halted when Ron sent producers of the show an accusatory letter, and the segment has never seen the light of day. The week after Sharon went missing, Ron hired an attorney named Cheryl Watley, but she stopped representing him about a year later. In April 2003, Ron filed a suit against Watley, alleging that she owed him a partial refund of $10,000, the retainer fee that he paid her. The case went to small claims court, but now that they were on opposing sides in a civil trial, attorney-client privilege would be stripped away. So Watley was under no obligation to remain silent about anything Ron said to her. At the trial, Watley testified that Ron had expressed concern that his wife's disappearance might lead to other investigations into alleged involvement in tax evasion and money laundering. Indeed, Ron was once on the executive board of the Dallas branch of the NAACP, but was suspended because of some irregularities in one of their elections. He responded by incorporating a new chapter of the NAACP, which he ran out of his home, and also started the Dallas Economic Development Corporation, a nonprofit and tax-exempt organization that supposedly provided services to low-income individuals. Watley also claimed that Ron told her to do a television interview in which she painted Sharon as a mentally ill or drug addict, but she refused to do so. And in the end, the jury ruled that Watley's favor and awarded her $1,558 in damages, but the investigation has remained at a standstill, and Sharon Davis is still a missing person.